Welcome back! Today we're taking a look at the Thompson Madrid in Madrid, Spain. The hotel is located at Plaza Del Carmen, a short walk from the Sol metro station. The plaza was mostly finished, but there was still some construction underway when we visited. Starting off in the lobby, there's lots of wood and plenty of seating. While we waited for our room to be ready, they gave us a welcome drink and a little appetizer dish. Heading to our room, the hallways have windows to an interior courtyard. Always love when hotels have natural light in the hallways. We booked 4 nights at this hotel using 100,000 Hyatt points, and then used a suite upgrade award to confirm the junior suite with Terrace. I was only able to book this hotel about a month beforehand, as it was showing as unavailable in the prior months. But I had set up an alert, and eventually availability showed up, and I was able to book the 4 nights on points. The junior suite is essentially a long room with a small table and a sofa. Lots of wood and gold tones, which is typical of the Thompson brand, plenty of storage for your clothes and luggage, and everything was in great condition. We found the bed to be very comfortable. There's plenty of interesting decor and lighting. The curtains are controlled with switches by the bed. The only real complaint we had with the room was the air conditioning. It was very hot, about 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius. And even though the thermostat said it was set at 19 degrees Celsius, 66 degrees Fahrenheit, it got nowhere near that temperature. More like 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 degrees Celsius, was the lowest it ever got. There was a welcome gift of some olive oil when we arrived, and later that day they stopped by with some treats, wine, and a stuffed bear in a Thompson bathrobe, as they had heard that we were celebrating our wedding anniversary. They really went above and beyond here. The room also had a very well-stocked menu bar. Heading to the bathroom, it is large with a nice walk-in shower with big bottles of their toiletries. The terrace is definitely one of the selling points of this room, and this suite had an exceptionally long terrace. Note that it would seem that there are other junior suites that have different layouts, and perhaps even facing essentially a wall of the building next door, so if you can, be sure to get one with a terrace facing one of the streets. On the terrace, there's a small table and 2 lounge chairs. We were essentially directly below the rooftop pool, and there was occasionally some noise, but it was never too bad. Heading to the fitness center, it is quite spacious and has great views of the Plaza del Carmen. Oh, and this is a great place to refill your water bottle with some nice cold water. It was seriously hot out there, and we saw multiple instances of ambulances treating people who had collapsed in the heat. Stay hydrated, folks. The rooftop pool is a notable feature of this hotel. Prior to our arrival, I'd seen that the pool was closed for a long time for maintenance or cleaning or something like that. But upon check-in, they said it was actually opening up for the first time that evening, and sure enough, it was open, and remained open the entire stay. The pool itself isn't very large, but it was a great place to cool off and enjoy some spectacular views. There was also a bar up there, but we didn't use it. Another highlight is the breakfast. As a Hyatt globalist, breakfast is included, and it was unlike any breakfast I had had before. Basically, there's a buffet menu of pastries, fruits, and things like that, and then you order a main dish and then a dessert dish. It can end up being an absurd amount of food, depending on what you select. Pastries are also made fresh at the hotel, and the chocolate croissant was amazing. All the dishes we had were good, and there was enough variety in the menu to not feel repetitive in the 4 days we were there. Let's talk about the pros and cons. For the pros, location. It's conveniently located with easy access to the metro and plenty of places within walking distance. It's a nice, clean, new, modern hotel. Everything was in great condition and very comfortable. The terrace of our suite was beautiful, it was huge, had great views. Breakfast was plentiful and delicious. And overall, there was great service. The front desk and housekeeping were fantastic. Breakfast service was only okay. On the con side of things, the weak AC. Even though it was a modern building, the AC could not keep up with the summer heat. It's also expensive. We had booked with points, but cash rates at the time for the base room were well over $500 a night. Overall, I had a wonderful visit here, and it was a great home base to explore Madrid. Thanks for watching.